Hi everyone, welcome to our 10 minutes research masterclass. Today is the last day of research. Next day we will be forwarding with new another topics. So, wrapping up with research, today is the last part. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and in this rapid 10 minutes research masterclass, I am Utshab and today's topic is application of ICT tool on the research process along with a quick guide to research paper selection and important abbreviation. These are must known topic tools for all academic researchers, UGC NET aspirants as well as PhD scholars. So, let's look at how ICT helps in every stage of research process. From idea to publication, there are three phases. From idea to publication, there are three phases. Number one, the pre-data analysis. At this stage, what we have at this stage, the topic of the literature review and the preparing tools like Google Scholar, Shodhganga, ResearchGate, academia.edu for articles. These are previous dissertations. And we also have EndNote, Zerto, Mendeley for reference tracking and bibliography generations. Then we have Google Forms, as we all know, the Zoho Forms, the SurveyMonkey for questionnaires design and data collection. So let's take an example. If you are studying online learning post COVID, use Google Scholar to get studies from 2020 onwards and create a Google form for student survey. It's pretty much simple, isn't it? Now we are coming back to data analysis part where the processing of data, the numerical or descriptive data, the quantitative tool, it's SPSS for stats based social research. We have R, programming for data modeling, we have MATLAB, we have SAS, we have Excel. Qualitative tools, Nivo, Atlas.ti, Transana, MaxDA for coding transcripts, analyzing interview themes. Now let's take another example. If you're recorded 10 interviews of teachers about AI in education, use NVivo to identify common themes. The next part, the third part which we have the post data analysis part. In post data analysis part, what we have after the result generating, now it's time to finalize and publish. Grammatically, if we are correct or not, we use Grammarly. We use 13. We use QText for grammar and plagiarism check. Mendeley, Zerto, EndNote to finalize citation and reference. Elsevier, Sage, Willy, top platforms for journal submission. Now let's take another example that after writing your final report, run it through 13 and then submit to peer-reviewed journal through Elsevier. So broadly speaking, we can divide the applications of ICT tool in research process. This can be that application tools can be used in three parts, in three steps. In the pre-data, we have different set of ICT tools. In the data analysis part, we have separate set of ICT tools, and in post-data analysis, we have separate set of ICT tools. So as far as the steps of research is concerned, as we can see over here, it's problem, the literature review, the hypothesis design and data collection. In these steps, this is considered as the before data analysis step. And this particular step in data analysis, this is the main part of the research, and then comes the report. So the whole research can be divided into three parts as far as the ICT tools are concerned. That is, number one is known as pre-data analysis. This portion is pre-data part. All right, how ICT is helping in pre-data. This particular section is known as data analysis part, and we have separate softwares for data analysis. And the last part, the report part, we have post data analysis part. In post data analysis part, what we can see, the reference and bibliographic, the compilations, everything. In today's world, our job is very less, and we might say our job is easy as well as it is becoming tough. Now what we are saying, we are saying that post data analysis. Post data analysis reference bibliographical compilations, like we have EndNote, we have Zetro, we have Mendeley, articles and thesis dissertation discussions among researchers. So different portions of the research suggest different aspects. So here is our last part of research. We have continued, I think this is the 16th day. So we have continued the research thesis, research theory, research characteristics, and tomorrow we will be discussing about the previous year questions of research as far West Bengal set is concerned. So this was it with the steps, the problem, the literature review, the part, the pre-part, which software can be used. In the pre-part we can use Google, Wikipedia, Shudganga, this, and in the data analysis part it is divided into quantitative data and qualitative data. We can be knowing the names as well, and in the post part we have these different things. Now moving on to the next part, that is the research paper selection. How research paper is selected. So for selecting the research paper, we have title, we have cover page, we have prefactory, contains the paper's title, the author's name, the address, the phone number, the email, and the date and the day's data. Table of content, a list of chapter or selections of a document along with their page numbers. We have abstracts. So these are the research paper selection. It is described the essence. Now we know all about research. What next? We have to craft, we have to make a research proposal, right? So these are the research paper selecting process. Here what we get research paper selection. All right, in this research paper selection, what we have title page. The title, as the name suggests, it's pretty much simple, isn't it? The title, the names, the contact, the date. Then we have abstract. That means abstract is nothing but the short summary of the paper. Then we have introduction. What is the research problem? It talks about the research problem. Then we have literature review, what others have said on the topic. Then we have methodology, what methods you used, the survey, interview, etc. Then we have main body, your analysis, your findings. Then we have discussions, what do your result means. Then we have conclusion, final thoughts and suggestions, following with the bibliography part. Bibliography means the list of sources. Now coming to the next part, that is the research abbreviations. So today we will be ending the explanation part of research, the quick explanation part of the research, which is 10-minute long. So research abbreviation, as far as research abbreviations are concerned, this note is based on previous year questions. As I have mentioned, for the last 16 days, this is just the previous year part. So research, as far as research abbreviation is concerned, we can say a priori. A priori means what comes first. The use is before observation. Then we have CF. The full form of CF is compare. Then we have etal. Etal means and other. We have IBID. IBID means from same source. We have offset. Offset means, I am showing you. We have offset, we have subtext, we have etal, we have FN, we have IBID. So from here direct questions are being asked. We have subtext means hidden meaning used in literary analysis. Then the most famous one, the etal. Etal means and other, is an observation or is an abbreviation of the Latin term et al. And others. So researchers, while conducting the research, they use this abbreviation because thesis is a big document, so certain abbreviations are always required to write it down in a clear way, to cite it. For citations we have abbreviations, for in text we have citation abbreviations, everything. But these are the famous abbreviations which is important from the examination point of view. That means a priori, what comes first. The CF, that means compare, it comes in the end note part. So this was it with the entire explanation of research methodology. It is important from communication, from paper 2, it is important from paper 1's NTUGC NETs, or it can be the West Bengal set preparation, whether you are applying for PhD and all. So research paper is very much important. So today we are ending with our research explanation. Tomorrow in the rapid 10-minute series we will be discussing about all the previous year questions asked in West Bengal set. I am not concerned about that NTUGC net, because it is pretty much available in the on the internet. So I have gathered certain previous year questions of West Bengal set, and from paper 1 and paper 2 all the research questions are here. Okay, all right, as you can see, you just take a quick glimpses of it. Tomorrow we will be discussing of all those in details, because as we have already covered the rapid revision part, the basic parts of research, so it will be easier for us to solve this as well, because this is a quick revision for me as well. So I am just sharing my revision experience with you in a systematic way. Keep supporting at is no media, where we discuss media related topics at ease. Hope we will clear NT and UGC net together.